my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the little micro braids with beads. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, I am just about done with my hair. I actually have 2 more left up here to do, and I'm just going to show y'all how I did them. Hope y'all can see the parts clearly. I don't know how many I have, but I know I have a lot. So this is actually the braiding hair that I use. It's called Alrant, and I got this hair from Amazon. It's 16 inches and it's 8 packs. I got it for like maybe $20 something off Amazon. So it was cheap, fairly cheap. And it's actually a pretty good amount of hair. I thought I wasn't gonna have enough, but I only used about 4 packs, not even 4 packs, probably like a little over 3 packs, I would say, but not completely 4. So I have this bundle of hair left from the 4th pack, and then I already have 2 strands for the last 2 I have. And I didn't do them too thick, just about that thick, good enough. So I actually did the rubber band method because my hair is so thick and I want to make sure that my parts or whatever doesn't get too messy too quick. And then after I finish that, I'm going to go ahead and dip them, and then I'm going to apply the beads. Now I actually already dipped these. I literally just did them before I started recording, and they are dripping wet. So I'm going to put them back there and get them out my way. So I have a crochet needle, and then I have some edge control, which I definitely need to get some more because this is the family size and I didn't use a lot of it. So what I do first is I get a strand. This is not parted right. So I get a strand, and then I just apply some of the edge control just so it won't be so frizzy and it can stay down. And I'm gonna get closer so y'all can see what I'm doing. So it looks about like that. And I'm gonna get a strand of hair. Make sure it's not frizzy, make sure it's even. And I'm going to wrap it around my finger like this. And then I'm going to take the crochet needle and put it like so under the hair. And I'm going to put the needle underneath the hair and grip it. Then close the thing. And then I'm going to take it out. And I'm only going to take one side of it out and leave the other side so it looks like that. And then make sure it's even. And then I'm going to split a few pieces from both so it can be in the middle like that. If I want to twist it I can, but it's fine that way. Then I'm going to take the hair, and even though it's like it's really skinny, so I'm just going to put it in the middle. And then I'm going to start braiding. And as I braid, I do like to apply some edge control to make sure that it's secure and not frizzy looking. So I just take that much and apply it. And it'll hit every single strand as I braid. And if I run out, I'll just get another scoop and apply it. I'm not the best braider, but I can say for my first time actually doing braids, these actually turned out pretty good. a lot of these hairstyles I try to do on my own because I really don't like people touching my hair. I like to do my own hair. It's cheaper, and I have my own routine of how I like to do my hair, and it just works better for me. So I actually started my hair, I pre-parted my hair a few days ago. Then I started doing it, was it 2 days ago? And then I finished it that same morning. So now I gotta go back and braid this because this is not staying. But yeah, I did it after I got off of work. I started it before I went to work. And then that same night, I came back and finished it. And I think I finished about 2 something in the morning last night. So I think I did pretty good. Cause I'm off today, so I decided to do my hair in parts because I was not trying to do my hair all day today. And I gotta go back to work tomorrow for 2 days. And this time I'll be working first shift instead of second. So I definitely need to finish my hair today. So that is what that's looking like. The braid is finished. And now I'm going to do the other one, and I'm just going to speed up the process since you guys already know how I do it detailed. Okay, so I have all the braids finished now. Now I can go back and dip them. This one of these feel like I didn't dip it, so I'm just going to dip it. So I have this big thing of hot water, and I'm just going to put these braids in. As you can see, I don't know if y'all see the smoke, but it's right there. Keep this in there for about a few seconds. And then I'm going to take the towel, I'm going to fold it so this hair doesn't burn me through the towel. And I'm just going to catch it and then wipe it off with the towel. And there's that. All right, so the last step is to apply the beads. So I'm going to show you guys the beads that I have, and then I'm going to start applying those. So these are the beads that I have. They are like assorted pinks, and then I have the little thing tool that comes with them to put multiple ones on at a time and put them on your hair. And then I have some rubber bands to secure them. And I also have some scissors, that way I can cut my hair if it's like too long, because I probably won't leave it exactly this length. But as you can see, a few of them are longer than others. Okay, so I put all the beads in this Tupperware, and it's actually 6 different colors in the pack, so I think I'm just going to use 6 a piece, and I'm going to use every single color on one. I hope I have enough beads at that. So hopefully I'll run out. If I do, I'll just have to run to the store and get some more. But I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Now, I'm not going to put the colors in order because I don't have time for that. I'm just going to put them all on there, put them on my hair, and keep it moving. So, okay, 3 colors so far, 3 more to go. All right, so I have all 6 on there, and then what you do is you put the braid through the little loop, and then you're gonna hold it upwards, and you're gonna push all the beads towards it if I can. Then it's gonna go through it and pull the braid out at the end, and that's how it looks. So now I'm going to bend it back above the last one, and then I'm going to take a rubber band and secure it. And that's what it looks like. Cute girl, cute. Okay, you guys, so I am finished with all of the beads now, and I'm getting to my very last step before I finally end this video. This hairstyle took forever. So I have some mousse, I have Got To Be spray, and then I have a blow dryer. So I'm going to spray a little bit of Got To Be. And then I'm going to take some of the mousse. And put it on the braids. I've seen people do this. I hope I'm doing it right. Messy. Now I'm going to take the blow dryer and blow dry my hair, and I'm definitely going to mute this part so you guys won't hear it. No, I'm really just and this is the finished product. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.